What's up, brick builders? Today's build is the Micro Mystery Machine. This is set number Micro Mystery Machine. Year it came out was 2015, age group 6+, and it's got a piece count of 29. Hello folks, Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. Welcome to another build video, another interesting Scooby-Doo build. If you haven't seen that other one, the Mystery Inc. gang, check this video out up here. It's interesting indeed, interesting. And they've joined us on the Halloween shelf there, on the Halloween corner. I know that the Hubble telescope's not part of the Halloween corner. I'll sort that out. I'll sort that out. But yeah, this is the Mystery Machine. This is their little van that they would travel around in on the Scooby-Doo cartoons and stuff. Let's build it and see what we've got, shall we? Oh, it's a cute little mystery machine. Go on, camera, focus. We've got medium azure bricks and plates, and we've got lime bricks and plates as well. Now, I like the color tone. It really, really works, but I think that's because we're so used to seeing the Scooby-Doo cartoons that we knew it would work. The nice green or lime green line going straight through. And we're using these rail plates as the bumpers. That's a kind of cool little bit of detail that you could cram into a micro build like this and get away with it. I think that's excellent. What I also think is very clever is the use of these plates here, plate specials with the 2 pinholes in them in each side, so that you can put the Technic pins in there and then put these 1x1 circular plates on there as wheels, and it actually revolves. It actually does roll. You can't really see it very well because of the piece being black. If I can get the light on it, there you go. And it rolls. It does actually roll. It's really, really quite good. A nice, cute little build. Yes, we don't have any stickers on there. The stickers are very, very difficult to find, but they would go on there, and they're on the green brick. On the lime green brick, even. Focus. There you go. Very micro, but very cool. Actually, I like that. Very micro, but very cool. Brilliant. Anyway, folks, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see some more of this content, and they will get bigger, soon, sometime. Don't forget to put your notifications on and like and subscribe, and also share with your friends. And my nose is really, really itchy. Can you tell? And yes, don't forget to put your notifications on all so you don't miss a thing. And I will catch you in the next one. Is it going to be another Scooby-Doo build? It's not. The next build is going to be so cool. Tune in. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.